Yeah, man, we are live and we are queued for a game. We're in a game. Boy, yesterday's first game was great, man. Bus is 1700. I'm gonna try and bust this guy up. It's tournament day, guys. Get in the tournament. Pinned comments. Join the tournament on chess.com. What's he doing? I didn't have to do that. I'm supposed to castle. I think I recastled so I can play e5. Oh my goodness. I think I'm supposed to be able to play e5 here. Just okay, now we play c6 and then we take. I'm not sure. I mean, if they take, I don't know. Yeah, we take, and then he's going to take with the pawn. One of the pawns. Knight takes. We might, yeah, exactly. Now my plan is to move my knight somewhere and play f5. I think I can come here because he doesn't have a bishop here, right? What's going on, guys? What is going on, man? It's going to be a great tournament day as always, folks. Biggest stream of the week here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. You absolutely love to see it. And oh no, because I want to take with the pawn. Knight, if I push and he takes, I take with the pawn. He has knight takes. But I guess I didn't have knight takes. Takes with the pawn. And he runs that way. Can that be smart on the file? Rob Mitchell, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Trying to figure this out, Rob. I'm supposed to know this position like the back of my hand, but I don't see it enough. Knight bd7. I don't have to move the same piece twice yet. Then he has knight b5, though. How does he have knight b5? Is that a move? No, I just go to c5 immediately. This is fine. I'm castled. He has to castle. He has to catch up. If he doesn't catch up, he could get in trouble, folks. I mean, I don't care if he gets in trouble. That's on him. Ben Arnold with the like. Thank you so much, Ben. First like of the day. You're sneaking this comment in at the doctor's. What time tournament starts? In an hour. Starts in 1 hour. Chess Chillers. Hey, Making Salmon. What's up, dude? Welcome back, dude. Welcome back. My opponent has moved very quickly. His name is Pochita Chainsaw Devil. What do you think it means? Pochita. We're going to turn the backlight on, guys. Hey. There we go. There we go. Now the purple matches the purple thing. We went purple. This guy's using his brain and his mind. I have multiple scenarii. Knight even back to this square. And f5. There are possible maneuvers in the situation. Boy, yesterday, what a great chess stream where he castles. Okay, now we come. We're on the pawn. He must defendor. Defendor. There's no bishop over here, so that's good. He brings a knight back. Great. I'll come here. Not allowing the manunu. There'll be no manunu allowed in this situation. Open mic last night. Bill Stevens is going to come ask. There he is. Hey! Bill Stevens, how long have we been doing this, man? I'm like, open mic, I was going to talk about it. I said, Bill Stevens is going to come in and ask me about open mic. Then Bill Stevens comes in and says, hope all is well with everyone. Dude, open mic was great last night. We had more jammers come in. It was a really good time. Yeah, it was nice, man. I got a call for Saturday for a gig, too, that I wasn't able to take, but it's nice to get calls. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of cool. And, we're just trying to hold down this King's Indian defense. King's Indian defense. Ideas are to move this knight and push to pawn. I wonder if they are, though, in Well, yeah, look where my pawns are pointing. See where my pawns are pointing, guys? That means it's going to be okay. I could play knight back and push is a maneuver. This is to stop b4, and if he plays a3 to push b4, we push a4. And then if he pushes b4, we take en passant, and the knight stays. My knight stays, guys. My knight lives. My knight survives. There's a lot of themes in this position, man. And I don't know them all. Like the old grandfather told his grandson when they were walking down the Las Vegas Strip. He said, son, there's a lot of free things in this town, and you can't afford any of them. There is also another maneuver I should have seen instantly that I'm starting to see right now as well. So I'm feeling relatively good about most of the scenario. It's a chess word, guys. It's a chess word. Dude, I got pulled over last night. I had an interaction with a police officer. What? Yeah, I did. Pulled me right over. Lit me up like a freaking full-blown crimp. Wow. Okay. This is really weird. I think I simply play knight back. I don't think this is a good move. What does it leave behind? It leaves behind an unprotected knight. See, I was considering this move. Because it literally probably, Stockfish might do it, he might not. Coming here and taking this bishop is probably a pretty good thing because that's his good bishop. Problem is, if I come to this square, he has this maneuver attacking my pawnster. And that's my pawnster. I like my pawnster. I think we defend the Amigos Knight and continue with the grand master plan, guys. It's a grand master plan. Is it bad? Did I blunder? Did he threaten nothing? Was it a story told by an idiot full of sound and fury? It might have been, guys. That could have been a full story told by an idiot full of sound and fury, symbolizing nothing. It might have been. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I hope it was. Hope it was. So I got pulled over by a freak. I'm driving down the road. 12:30 in the AM. Minding my own business. There's no one on the streets except for this guy. Because these towns, they roll up pretty quick, guys. They roll it up early. They roll up early around here. So I'm driving home. Sometimes I'll see a couple cars on the way home. Well, I saw one cop had it look like someone pulled over. Okay. Queen comes. Okay. Yeah, I know my move, and I know I can play it, so I'm just going to play it. And then my knight just comes back to its home. And then we just play chess. I could even play f4. I could play f4. We're on this. Can I kick anything? Can I take and pin something? No, my hopper can't move. My B hopper can't move yet. Robert Pritchard, what's up, dude? So the guy pulls me over. Hey, Charlie, how we doing today? Just getting started. I'm doing great. Dark Assassin, how you doing, brother? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dude, Making Salmon is our newest official chiller on Twitch, and he's going to be at the next workshop. Thank you for subbing on Twitch, Making Salmon. Toasty Cheez It, what's up, brother? These guys, Toasty Cheez It came to the workshop. These guys are, we have monthly chess workshops where we go over our lower rated players' games and tell them very specific things that can help them. Toasty, did you learn anything from the workshop? Okay, now if I push, takes. Push takes, rook takes? Knight, rook, maybe? This could be a thing, but I should probably... The question is F4 that big of a deal? I'll tell you about the. Let me think for a move, and I'll tell you about the interaction with the police officer last night. Okay. Taking is definitely not the maneuver. We're ruling that out. If he does something silly like this to try and take my knight, I might just play b6. So I don't have to worry about any of this. The point is this knight getting replaced. If he does something silly like this, I will just double his pawns and then just bring stuff. I think this is the move. As much as I want to do the more forcing, takes, rook takes. If his knight hits, I could come to this square. Or push takes, opens up my bishop, but it opens up his bishop. And what does it do? Right? They're both doing nothing. They're both little baby loser bishops. How could one bishop be a bigger loser than the other one? Right? Okay, an idea is not to lose on time. I'm up a minute, so I'm going to take a minute now and just do a little bit of... This puts pressure and keeps pressure, and I want him to take, I think. I don't know if I necessarily want this structure in the fianchetto posizione, guys. So maybe we just go now, but what am I going to do? Take? I'm not threatening to push. Improving. Okay, so you're passing much more attention to my openings and taking more time. A lot of players complain, but hey, we both chose 15-10. You're paying much more attention. Okay, you did. You actually even rewatched your pointers. Dude, Toasty Cheese It, for someone at your level, I would highly recommend. Because we do the workshop, and I told Toasty Cheese It a lot of stuff about his game and very specific things. Ben said, cool, you should make it cool. Ben's at the doctor. Are you okay, Ben? You sick? Red Pro, what's up? How are you? I'm fine, dude. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Red Pro says, no. No what? No, you would have done something different? Yeah, I don't look at chat to play my game. In addition to that being no fun, it would be called, what would it be called? Oh, yeah, I'd be a big fat cheater. Like the guy who won the tournament last week. Shiv, what's up? The guy who won the tournament last week, only Eminem. How you doing, Howdy? Howdy, brother. The guy who won the tournament last week cheated, guys. Cheated. So, I got second. Eco Voyager got third. And Toxic Rakim got fourth. Okay, now he wants to push, but I could just come back when I have to, right? So... do we do this and then trade stuff and bring a rook? It feels like it could work. Bishop could come here, but it doesn't seem right. See, this whole attack thing just doesn't seem right. So I think we have to develop. Develop ping, guys. Develop ping. So this freaking cop pulls me over, Rhodes. There was a well-lit gas station. You want to play with me tomorrow? I play viewers tomorrow, Shiv. I play viewers tomorrow. Only Eminem says Benoit been getting back into chess recently. As the tournament today, well, come play, brother. Come play. Yeah. Play the tournament. There's a pinned comment. This guy pulls me over. There's a well-lit gas station up on the right. So, I didn't have to drive far. He was going to get mad at me. Be like, you went too long. You went too long. No. I put my indicator on. Let him know I was there. Slowed down. Pulled into a well-lit gas station. Guys, it's 12:30 in the morning. There's no one around. Not in a small town. Okay? In a big city, there'll be cars everywhere, right? So he comes up and says, your third brake light is not working properly. I'm like, what? Yeah, he probably is doing okay over here. He's probably going to get some action on the Filio. I could play knight takes. Something takes. Pawn takes. Something takes. Like maybe a rook over. I got to move. Don't want to lose on time. Don't want to lose on time. He says my third brake light is out. I don't know what it's like in Australia roads, but not California, in America, or at least I believe in most states. I know in California. I believe Texas. Yeah, Texas for sure. Old cars don't have 3 brake lights. They have 2 brake lights. But new cars have the one on top, right? 3 brake lights. If you don't have a third brake light, it's fine. If you have a 1970 Ford Mustang with no third brake light, it is completely fine. Now, do I take with the pawn? I'm going to be taking with the pawn anyway. So if you don't have a third brake light on your old car, it's fine. But if you have a third brake light on a new car and your third brake light doesn't work, it's against the law. That's weird. They give me a hard time. I get the same brake lights as a freaking 1970 Mustang. 2 brake lights. What's the problem? No, because you overachieved with that third brake light, it must work or you get a ticket. He wrote me a warning. The time control for the tournament is 10 minutes with a 5-second increment, folks. 5-second increment. Yeah, you know what? I was kind of thinking... This is okay, though. This is okay, though, because I'm going to get a little something. I'm going to get something out of this. I'm going to get something. Bishop takes. I can play bishop. It brings a... Yeah. Okay, watch. We have to take back. Now, I can play this move and make him move his rook. Or I could simply bring my rook. He has nothing here. Bring the rook. Where does the queen go? I don't know. So we're okay. We have opposite color bit. I was like, wait, did I lose a piece? No, I didn't. This is just an immediate Tempolicious. So I think we probably should do this. The crazy thing is this pawn is protected. You know what I mean? So it's like, I was like, he's definitely going to get down the H file. So the cop pulls me over. I pull in the gas station. My third brake light is not working. I'm like, I've been pulled over in the same small town before, and the cop lied about the reason he pulled me over. He said my license plate light was out. And then I looked at it 5 minutes later, and it was not out. And it was never out. It was not intermittent. He just lied to pull me over. So the guy said, your third brake light isn't working. And I literally looked at him and said, are you serious? And then I said, well, wait. I took that. I said, wait, hold on. Okay. Where do we go from here? Driver's license, insurance. I'm like, driver's license, insurance. I'm like, yeah, I think I got it here. I got to give him a paper. They can check it in the computer. They can just check my driver's license and my license plate. And it's in the system to where they can prove I have insurance without me having to have proof. If I have it, I don't know am I required by law to carry it in Texas, guys? Do you know? Queen comes here. It's a move. Hit the rook. Am I required to keep it? Now, here's the problem, though. He's ready to take my pawn. I could push. I don't know then what this... to defend the pawn, I'd have to weaken this square. Right? So, maybe taking and then queen b6, eyeballing a few things. You know what I mean? Brings the rook. Okay. Queen b6 doesn't quite get the bull off the ice. Queen b6, rook takes. No. I kind of wanted to be near this. What if takes, something takes, queen b6? He has pawn takes. The queen still covers it. I'm looking at this move. Like, in a variation. Let's say I had queen b6 in. If I could play this move, hit the queen. Queen takes, I take, and mate. Right? Right? I'm looking at these tactics, guys. But I believe queen b6, he just captures. So if I take, I could also take. A rook takes, gives him the file. No. Bishop back. Maybe queen? Maybe queen d7? No, it drops a pawn. I'm going to take because I don't want to lose on time. I don't know if that was good or bad. He might get some play on the old queen side, folks. He might get a little play on the queen side scenario, but you want squares, you got to give squares. Only Man says, I feel I was lucky enough to reach 900 before I left before, but it's been a minute. My vision is bad nowadays. It's okay, man. You'll get back into it. Don't hang your pawn. Yeah, right. So then the guy says, insurance. I went for my insurance. I couldn't find my insurance. Now I look like a criminal, right? You see the videos? They pull the people over. They're like, oh, I left my license at home. Give me your proof of insurance. Oh, it's supposed to be here. I can't find it. I'm insured, though. And I literally looked at the guy and said, I have insurance. He said, who's it with? I said, I don't know. I said, it's set up for auto pay, man. I had Texas Farm Bureau for like freaking, I don't know how many years. 10 years. And then I got out of that and I had to go to work and my insurance was canceled. So I panic bought insurance. The queen comes. Queen here threatens. And it might threaten that same thing. Queen might threaten, guys. Queen, I'm looking at queen f6. And I'm going to look at it here in a second. But, and I was like, is it Geico? I think it might be Geico. I said, can you check it? I said, I'm sorry. Because I knew he could check it. He goes, yeah. He comes back. My license is good, guys. I fly clean. I just came back from a bar, guys. I played music in a bar. I was in a bar for 4 hours. You go work and make a couple $100. You can't be risking hurting someone, going to prison, losing $10,000 to do the thing. I'm not doing a thing, guys. So I was completely hadn't a single drop. A friend of mine, Dean, told me. He said, just don't even have one drink, even if one drink. He said, then when they pull you over, because we're going to get pulled over because we're driving home at after hours, right? Then you can look the cop in the face and say, zero, none. He said, do you want to have a drink? What do you get home? I'm like, yeah, it's pretty good advice. So I was right. I was riding clean. My license checked out. I'm clean. He comes back, and I was trying to find it on my phone while he was doing that. I put my phone up so he could see my hands, but I was trying to find it on my phone. And I realized it was Geico, but I didn't. Oh, he does that maneuver. Okay. Now there's like, we got a weakness. I could come to this square. Rook takes. Rook over, come back or something. This pawn could fall, but then if takes, I get this check. And maybe a draw against a lower rated opponent. There's a bishop hanging over here. Something to consider. If I come back bishop takes, queen takes, I'm on the pawn. But my center falls apart. Because queen takes, but wait. No, because then I have that same check picking up the bishop. So there could be some play there. This is on a checking square. You see this? Rook takes, and I got to be careful he can't get this. I still have this bishop here, but I'm saying if everything gets traded, he might be able to pick up my rook. This rook is also protected by the bishop. This pawn is loose. I don't know, man. This rook doesn't play, and this bishop doesn't play. You know what I'm saying? And his queen is kind of on the wrong side of the board. It's not affecting any defensive squares. You know what I'm saying? Maybe bishop back? Queen g5, threatening check. Queen g5 threatens check. And then he comes over. This threatens mate. He can stop it technically. But the bishop's not hanging though. But if he stops it, I come here. You know what I'm saying? Queen g5? Playing for the light squares? Is this dumb? Am I being dumb right now? Queen g5, queen takes, check. King over. Oh, he has f. No, he doesn't, because I could take the bishop. Rook over, and then rook up. He doesn't have a check. He could take this pawn, but I think then he's getting mated. I'm going to do it because it's fun. Hey, man, I'm doing really good on time, right? The other day I learned I wasn't even looking at the board the right way. I thought I had instinct. I was just losing, really. Huh. Do it! Just getting started. I play Queen G5, dude. That could be a Starfish move, man. It might. But you got to understand, I'm giving up 2 pawns right here. But like I said, it's probably not enough. It might be enough for a pawn. It might be enough. Oh, another thing I'm looking at is a square, too, which I never even considered. Right? Let's say he did something just silly, like bishop takes pawn. I could play rook takes, rook check, and then queen takes. I didn't even realize I was looking at this square, too. So the cop wrote me a warning, told me my brake light was out. I really, to be honest, didn't believe him when he told me, but I got home and I checked it. And sure enough, my third brake light is out. I have other work I need done on my car, stuff I cannot do. The third brake light, I can do. So, oh, he could just play queen d4, guys. Queen d4 stopping the check. I didn't see it. So, anyway. Yeah, he wrote me a warning, and I went on my merry way. I got a hold of my mechanic today because my truck is acting up. And they can't see me till Wednesday. It's like a doctor's appointment, guys. Right? I think I'll be okay. But so between now and Wednesday, we're really like, okay, brings the rook. Okay. Giving me this. I don't understand it. Oh, I thought I had this, guys. I don't. I could play rook and rook, but I'll lose a pawn and maybe another pawn. Getting him to give up the file is actually insanely huge, although I just almost dropped a rook. This is probably too slow, but it's a real move because he didn't do anything. Push, takes, or probably takes here. This is protected twice. Push again. He doesn't have a check. You can take this pawn with the queen, no less. With your own sword, no less. Maybe rook c5, defending this pawn. Queen takes, bring the other rook. This could be the move because it kind of blocks the... It keeps my center intact. You know what I'm saying? Queen takes, rook over, doubling up. The problem is my infiltration square is a little bit not exactly crushing it. I'm looking at bishop back. Oh, he can't go back this way. So bishop back could be a move. What am I threatening? Takes. I kind of have the file because of this queen check. How do I overwork something, man? The rook is working here. I just don't have any great squares. This really puts the queen in loony land. This must be my sack. I'm banking on 1, 2, 3 pieces not playing chess, and 1, 2, really only 3. He really only has 2 pieces defending. And I really kind of only have 2 attacking. The bishops are pretty good. Brings the bishop back, giving up squares here. Okay, then I can just play queen back, defending, and then we'll double up and come down the c file. He undefended this rook, and he undefended this rook, but he attacked my queen, and my queen has to move. I'm going to come here because it defends the pawn. I think I'm okay. Rook over, just shove it. Oh, he comes there. What squares did he give up? He didn't give up any... I got to tell you something, guys. I think I repositioned his bishops. They're fine right now. The bishops are fine. B6. So I got to come back. It's a downer. It's a Debbie freaking downer, guys. There's no squares. There's no infiltration squares. That's the problem. I have to move. I have to move. I have to move. I have to move. B6 is an idea, but he'll just play queen takes. So we're coming back. I'm thankful for that move. I'm thankful for that move. Like, happy camper thankful. I really gave him a lot of time, guys. Can't look at chat. I'm shutting chat up. I didn't see a move either. I just know you guys. You guys are passionate. You're good chess players. And you're trying to help me. Get in the tournament, guys. Get in the tournament. Oh, I want to join the tournament so bad. I need to focus on the game. Takes, we play queen takes. Maybe not. Check. King up. Check. King up, and we don't have it. So I just have to come here now. Where do I go is better. Either is fine. Either is fine. Whose king is safer? I think my king is safer, but his king, I tried to make it in danger with queen g5, but I literally repositioned his bishop from this bad square to this good square. Well, he did it. I think I kind of sucked him into it, too. This bishop has lived on f8 in a King's Indian, defending d6 many times. It can also hit the e7, maybe king over. You know what I'm saying? Brings the rook. Do I do this now? No, it drops a square. Bishop back leaves me with the bad bishop. He wants to double up. Takes, queen takes, and I don't have a way to get in. That's probably not an altogether bad move. The beauty is, oh, I just gave him this diagonal though. No, I didn't. The beauty is if he doubles, I'm still okay. Maybe not, because he has this idea. This stops a check and defends d6. This could be a really good move. I'm just kidding. I just wanted to play bishop g5. Takes, queen takes, and queen back. Contesting the file. This could be, or could have been, a move which I didn't see. The problem is all these squares are covered. This is not. So queen takes, I could come here maybe. Splitting. Yeah, so this could be a move. Queen back. Make him take. Does this make him take? This pawn is weak. It's a long walk to get to it. We're going to put pressure on him, guys. But I have to keep it complicated. And it's going to get a little bit uncomplicated. Whoa. Brings the rook. Takes, pawn takes. Don't have this, and that opens checks. Okay, so we just leave it there. Come here. And say, what's up? What are you doing there, buddy? What are we talking about here? I had a better move, I think. I had a better move. No, I didn't. This pawn... Wait, this queen. This pawn. Do you think he's watching? He's getting distracted, guys. He should move the queen up so I could take it with my pawn. Dang it, he saw it. And I think I lose. I blundered. I blundered. But I don't think I had a place to bring the bishop back. I needed the... If he gave me one more move, my bishop comes back here and hits the rook. But I guess I could have come to this square and he could have kicked me off. Well, no, he couldn't have. That's a good move. Is he going to get away? Yeah, I have time to think, but I think I'm busted. He has a queen check, and he has this, and I'm completely busted. So is there a... Oh, this bishop can move back now. But if I take the rook, he has queen takes check. And mate. Wow, it's that close. But the rook's hanging, guys. The rook's hanging. We have to check on the diagonally. I might be able to take the bishop with check. Bishop back. This is still such a problem. I really messed up. I'd love for him to play. He plays the queen. Okay, so now that's done. He's going to take my bishop. I didn't see it. His bishop's hanging, guys. I'm okay with it. You got to be okay with it. Here, I guess? I have a protected pass pawn. He has an outside pass pawn. This was to stop this move. Okay. Just coming on the old dark squares. He can't come. I can. Right. There's nothing to attack. This just gives him a check. So... Do I let him play this? Dude, you know what? I don't think I'm winning that. You guys tell me. Do I take the draw there, guys? That's what masters do. Masters take the draw, man. I don't think I was winning there. I mean, like I said, you know what? I guarantee it's going to be zeros all the way down. It's going to be zeros. Lurker Love. Rose is lurking. Good. You working, brother? Skak Spielderpole. Hey, what's up, brother? Welcome. Yo, what's up? Oh, dude, I had chat off. Dang, I was first by rating in an arena like ever. Did you get in the tournament? Join a tournament. Oh, everyone's here, man. Ego Voyager, I have an important announcement for you. I'm kind of waiting till Rakim gets here. But there's a very important announcement about last week's tournament that we talked about it yesterday, but it's tournament day, and different people come on tournament day. Rakim, are you here? Rakim, get in the tournament. Which one are you, Spiel? Shock Spiel? Are you, you said you're always the lowest one. Are you Mate King? Are you Mate King? Your bishop was trapped. Yeah, I saw it. I had some play, though, man, because I could have, like, played h5. The problem was g6 was falling. Digging the music. David Douglas, thank you. That's me playing guitar. I recorded that for my chess stream, like, 5 years ago. Yeah, I'm gone off the white. We are looking at this for sure. Analyses. Game review. You guys want Magnus or no Magnus? Let's just bring him up, guys. How come he didn't say chess.com?
You found some good moves, but the game ended evenly.
87% accuracy by my opponent. 85.6% for him. I'm going to show you guys the squiggler because the squiggler tells all. This is like a graphic story of the game. He was complete. I was never winning. It was almost equal the entire game. He was crushing. I made it even. He was crushing, and I made it even. Yeah, I got lucky at the end, guys. I got lucky. The fact that that bishop could move backwards was huge. Guys, you never count on your bishops being able to move backwards. Neither of us made any, what do you call them kind of moves? Superior. Oh, yeah, brilliant. No one made a brilliant. He had one great move. I had two. We each had two blunders. We had two blunders each. I made one mistake. He had none. He had 3 inaccuracies. I had 2. We both played like 2200s. We both played the opening like freaking with a blue exclamation point. We both played the middle game with the thumbs up, and we both played the end game with the blue exclamation point. That's a good game. That's a good game, man. Let's take a quick look and we'll find out.
D4A, classic. Now let's see what you got.
Please not
You're
F8.
going for center control right away. A bold, if somewhat standard choice.
Who's going to listen to this? Who's going to listen to this?
The knight toward the center.
You always count on your pawns moving backwards. Yeah, dude. Probably don't try that. Don't try that at home. Good game, sir. Okay.
Getting that bishop ready for action.
Who listens to everything? Getting that bishop ready for action. That is so silly. God, I turn it on and then I complain about it. A lot of people do that in life, though, don't they? They ask for something and then they complain about it once they get it. Kind of be careful what you wish for. Including Magnus Carlsen commentary on your freaking chess.com analysis board. You have Hikaru on mine. He's kind of like on his stream, sort of. You can do Hikaru? You didn't even know they had voices. They do, man. They do. Okay. Okay, now let's get to the opening book and see what the most common move in this position. This is a C5 thing? Number 1 move, bishop G4. Not playing that. Who played that move? A bunch of 2500s, 2100s. Is it not on the master database? Master games. Okay, so one player was a master. Okay, I get it. Yeah. I'm not playing that move. I played E5. Yes, E5. You know who played E5? Timur Radjabov. Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Miguel Nadorf, Dmitry Gurevich, guys. You guys don't know him. Ullman, guys. You don't know him. Yeah. Famous people played this game. Famous people played this move, okay? E5. It's a King's Indian move. Where do you think I learned it? I don't remember any Dmitry Gurevich games, but I remember what he looks like. He had kind of like darker skin and like kind of tight, curly, dark hair. He was a grandmaster from another country, but I think he might have immigrated to the United States. I feel like he was one of our grandmasters, but maybe I'm wrong. David Bassett would know. I think you're still there at Gotham Chess 2. Not sure if they changed it, but I'll never change him after I set him. You like the Hikaru, huh? Okay. We are still following like some pretty high level games. Oh yeah, wait. Most common move here is C6. Okay, you might ask Charlie, how do you know to play C6 here? In this exact position, I don't know. Because I'm not too sure about the G3 stuff. I might be more with the bishop on this square or the bishop on this square, okay? Instead of this G3 move. But this is what happens. When they push, you play C6, and then you take, and they take back with the pawn. That's just how you do. That's how you do. If you play C5, and they push, you play E6 and take. You know what I mean? So this is just, it's like thematic. And it was Stockfish's best move, by the way. No, wait. No, A5. A5 is that same idea to stop the malarkey. A5? I'm not too sure about A5 because how am I getting... Can't he do this? Knight BD7, it's not coming here because he plays B4. Oh, the rook's hanging. It's one tempo too late. That's why you can play A5 now. Okay, I just learned something. Okay, so I play the same idea, Knight C5 and A5. Stockfish needs a minute. Come on, A5, A5. Okay, it doesn't like it. Fourth best move, I played A5. It won. Oh, I had Knight D. I didn't see I had it. I didn't see I had it. Hello, Zay Geo, how you doing, man? Thank you, Rhodes. The tournament starts in 15 minutes, Rhodes. Our guys, Rhodes is helping you out. Get in the tournament. Oh, wait. Do I have the link? Let me post that on Facebook, too. Join Ernie here. There you go. All right. So, oh yeah, back here. After I played A5, because I was playing a thematic move, I saw this move, and I told you, I saw it, but I saw the move late. But if I could do this, and then he tries to save his bishop somehow, like, yeah, Knight C4, you just take it. That bishop, because this is his bad bishop. We talked about bad bishops. His central pawns are on light squares. This bishop is severely limited. In an endgame, if it's over here, it can't get to the side of the board. In an endgame, if it's over here, it can't get to the side of the board if it's on this diagonal. These pawns, like, they make it really hard for the bishop to move, and it can't even attack my center pawns. It's a bad bishop, guys. It's in Reassess Your Chess by Jeremy Silman. Is it a huge thing? No. But I'll tell you this. This is a good... I made a mistake here. Here, yeah, it's like this. I've equalized, but I got to play Knight D3. I didn't. Then I saw it. I'm like, oh my God, I could play this move. He played this. Oh, just B6. B6 here. What did I say about playing B6? I was like, if he plays Bishop A3, I might just play B6. Right? B6 now. Why, though? B6, why? To defend the pawn that's not attacked? I don't understand B6. Why do you need to play B6? This knight move is not on the board, but Knight E8 is like the fifth best move. Playing the same idea I had. F5 is the best move. White is still slightly better. Okay, Knight F6, guys. I wanted to take. I wanted to push. I played Knight F6 and it's better because imagine this. The knight's blocking the bishop. The knight came back. It's like redeveloping, okay? When's tournament start, guys? I don't want to miss it. 5 minutes. Okay, good. We're going to make up a coffee. Bishop H6 is an idea. A4 is an idea. It likes black better after Bishop D7. And that's what I played. Okay. B4. I'm supposed to take. Take. I didn't like it. Take. Takes. Queen B6. Looking at stuff. Wow. I didn't go this far into this line. In a 40-2 game, I might. But just based on this position, just based on the fact that after takes, if he could just trade everything down this file. And if I take and he takes, now he has the file. But Stockfish says, yeah, but you take here. Takes. And Queen B6, attacking a pawn and eyeballing this. I'm threatening maybe Knight G5. I'm threatening the pawn starters. Knight f6 check, bishop f6, and bishop c3 defending, and bishop g5 improving, and we're playing chess. It's about equal. I didn't consider that line, guys, because I'm not giving up the file like that. You know what I'm saying? But it was okay. I played similar, and it still likes me. AB4. I should have played AB4, and I didn't. I just wouldn't do it. Okay, it's about equal. Bishop h3 was the best move. Rook comes. A4. I considered A4, but like I said, if I have to defend this pawn, then this score becomes really weak. 3 minutes, guys. Okay. Queen f6 was best. F3, it wanted queen e1, but F3 is okay. Bishop h6. Oh, I didn't even see it. I didn't even see it. Horrible move. How do I not see it? Bishop h6. It regains the file. Okay, equal. It wanted bishop f5, kept considering it. Rook c5 is dumb. It's not even on the list. Comes back. Queen e7's best. Bishop e3 is best. I considered, oh no, rook c8 is one. Rook c7, what I play? Rook c7. I played rook c7. Now here he could have played g4. And he's got to get to it, but my bishop's in a little bit of trouble. Right? I got to... Oh, yeah. From here, it's a draw. Oh, it's a draw? Yeah, because of queen g3 check. Takes. Takes. I could have drawn there, but I checked. Now he's winning if king f2. Queen d4 check. Bishop... he played queen e3. And this is not a draw because his king is better. Oh, no, because he gets the bishop. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Get out of there. Get to the tournament. Go to chat. Make sure you're active, guys. Yo! Say something in chat on the tournament screen, guys. Do not be inactive when the tournament starts. I'll be back in 1 second. Get your boards, guys. I'm going to make coffee real quick. The game's going to start. Your boards. What? Well, I'm going to be thankful that I had a cup of coffee because I did run out, we're playing JDL. I ran out of creamer and sugar at the same time yesterday on stream. You guys saw it. Oh, Caro can't. This is the Caro can't. It's like a mouse slip. He wanted to play a Sicilian, like a fighting chess player. But He decided against it. Tournament time, baby. We're playing, man. We're in it. Hey, Charlie. Hey, chillers. Dave Joyce, how you doing, man? Glitch Gamer, I love you, brother. I love you, but we cannot do that in chat because we have to keep this place religion and politics free so we could play chess. We could do all that stuff. On other streams, which they won't let you do it either, I don't think. Or make your own stream and make it about that theme. That's a great idea. Do it. Do it. I'm not even mad at you. But those are the chat rules. Chat rules, no politics, no religion. Keep it light. You know, no personal attacks. Stuff like this. Now, I guess because we can, we do, right? We go for the familiar, even though it's not the best move. I think Bishop E2 might have been better, but I'm okay with it because I'm going to get here, and I'm going to get what I want, and he's not going to get what he wants. Even though he is rated 1,090 and I'm 1,700. It doesn't matter ratings, guys. I can lose the thousands. I do it all the time. I wanted more coffee. Oh, baby. What is the best way to get good at chess? How old are you? Because this makes a difference. Makes a difference. What's your rating? What's your ELO? What's your chess.com or Lichess? Abdul. And I will tell you. I will tell you my personal opinion based on... I'm a mid-level player, but I'm better than most players. And I've helped a lot of people. Helped a lot of people get better at chess. And I've seen them get better at chess. And I've heard them say what helped them. So, Abdul, if you could tell me... If you could tell me what level you are, and I hate to say it, but tell me how old you are too. And that will help. How long is the tournament and what time control? The tournament is a 5-round game with a 5-second increment. Yeah, good luck to everyone, says Dave Joyce. Thank you, Dave. Dave is here, guys. Brings the knight. Okay. I don't know if we bother doing this. I don't think we need to do this. This is a move. But I think we play here. And just look around. You've helped me a ton, Charlie. Rob Mitchell, thanks, man. Thanks. You're 600, just started, you're 27 years old. Okay, this is awesome. We're going to hope. Because everyone's different, right? But your brain kind of stops developing around 27, right? Research it. It's probably 28. So you probably still have some time. It has to do with, like, connections and stuff. And kids, they make those connections very strong. They learn really fast, and they remember it forever. It's like in their feelings. Whereas adults, it's not too late for you to get good at chess. At 600, what is this? He's setting up stuff, guys. I have to remember. I have to remember what's happening here. So, at 600, your best bet... Should I play something like this and attack this square? Takes. You look at my queen. There's enough. This could be a move. I want to just start going at him. Oh, wait. This is probably a better move, though. I think it is. Maybe it's not. Yeah, I think it is. It's fine. At 600, you want to do puzzles? You want to play slow games. The slowest games you can play. Find a local club and play the tournament. Play games that take 3 hours. And then go home and look at your games and improve. Okay, this is probably not an altogether bad move. But he can't get out now. Do we break El Centro? He's developed. I don't think we open the bishop. So is this... Okay, do we come to this square maybe? Bishop takes, pawn takes, opening up my bishop. But again, giving him options, guys. I don't want options. He's probably going to get them anyway. If I push now, he can push with a little bit of tempo. Takes, takes. This is a square. So if I come to this square, bishop takes, bishop takes. If he pushes, I can push. I hate pushing pawns on my side of the board. I hate it. Maybe this wasn't a good move. You want to play as much as you can, slow games, but the slowest game you can find. You could probably find 30-minute games, 1-hour games on chess.com. Literally play slow games. The most realistic is going to be what I played earlier, 15 minutes with a 10-second increment, okay? But you don't throw the game away. When the game is over, you go and you look at it. And you say, what could I have done better? And you look at moves and say, yeah, I didn't know what to do here. And then you sit on your hands and you try and find better moves. And that will make your brain get better at looking at and calculating chess. Then you can use the opening book and the computer to find out what the best moves were. You can see what grandmasters played. You can see what the computer would play. And you do puzzles. You don't spend time on openings. You're better off spending an hour and a half watching the same basic principles, chess basic opening principles. You're better off spending time and learning and understanding that, because that will make you better at chess in general than you are. I'd rather have you commit an hour and a half to studying basic opening principles than if you're willing to commit 5 hours memorizing the London system. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help you. Remember, don't think the Halloween Gambit's going to help you. It's not. The London's not going to help you. Not when you're 600. You need to stop dropping knights. You need to understand which side of the board to play on. Wow. I think I can take this. I think I could take a piece. It's really probably a good move. I could play b4. If he takes, I could take. If he takes again, I could take on his queen. b4. You can't play knight takes. b4. The knight can move somewhere. Attack my pawn that I don't care about. I could play c3 and defend it, or I could then take the free piece. b4 looks like a good move. Bishop takes knight. I think I would take. Do we just take the piece? Taking the piece. Taking the piece. Charlie, hypothetically, between Tal and Fischer, who would you choose to study under? Oh, study under? 1,000,000% under Bobby Fischer. Yeah, Bobby Fischer for sure. This is not bad because it blocks. It is made of rocks. There's no knight coming in. And it also protects here a little bit. We're playing chess. It also looks at this square. Hair. And then b4 could come now. Because I don't think he wants to let me in here. Because I can get the bishop. I can be on this pawn. If he goes all the way back, things are disconnected. I don't see him breaking through. I think we're playing chess. Pawn takes pawn. I think I'll play knight. Takes again. Maybe takes and then bring the other knight. You know what I'm saying? My bishop isn't developed. Knight here's a move. He takes in El Centro, probably a good move. do I need to come here before? If I take... You'll get a discovered... Oh, I can take this pawn. Yeah, he might be outplaying me, guys. Do I do this first? Yeah, I think I'm getting outplayed. This knight is okay though, right? Oh, but it attacks. So knight attacks a pawn. And it kind of gets rid of the monster. He could take... I take with check. And then he's on this, so he's winning a pawn at least. He just took a pawn. So if I just go, he's going to have bishop c5 on my queen. This move, what did I say doesn't work because of what? I'm attacking a piece. If he moves and I bring the knight, he has bishop takes pawn. I think he has more play than me. This comes to mind. It's probably not correct. Knight here now. Pawn takes. Bing, bing, and I lose a pawn. I get the bishop. The knight can maybe come with tempo. He doesn't have a whole bunch of stuff coming in. That might be the move. It might be knight. Don't want to lose on time. Knight. Attack the bishop. You take this pawn. It's doubled. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do here. Yeah, I think I'm in trouble. I think I'm in absolute trouble, guys. Bobby Fischer Teaches Chess is a good book. Yeah. For a first book, Bobby Fischer Teaches Chess. Abdul. So did you hear what I said? Durak, I'll tell you this that a lot of people don't understand. Is that ask like ChatGPT what grandmasters became grandmasters by playing 10-minute chess on chess.com. Zero. Now, there's people better than me that probably started playing. There are that played on chess.com and played 10-minute chess, and there's probably people that are 2,500 on chess.com that maybe they probably still done some studying and stuff, but the best way to improve is to play slower games and learn from them. And the reason why is when you play fast games, you make mistakes, and they're not indicative of your actual chess knowledge. They're indicative of you playing fast chess. But if you can play to where you have a lot of 4 hours to play a game, and you can come up with the best plan that you can, then we can figure out what's wrong with you, what you're not understanding, how you can do better. You know what I'm saying? It's what I call in the workshops when people say, like, look at this game, it's a blitz game. It's like it's going to be a low quality game. It might have one cool tactic in it, but if you play a bunch of bad moves in a game, then how is that going to make you better at chess? You never can look. You never can look and see a game that reflects your chess knowledge because you never used it, because you didn't have enough time, because you were too lazy and you just wanted to make moves and play the next game. So it's the difference between playing chess and improving at chess. Improving at chess is a lot of work. You don't just get better at chess by trying harder. You don't get better at chess by playing more. That can be part of it, playing. You get better at chess by working. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I don't know, man. I don't know about this position, guys. I think I'm in trouble. I think I'm losing. Well, I know my position is losing. The question is, am I going to lose the game? I might not. I might not lose this game. I'm going to get out of the way. I sacked, what, a pawn or two? I'm going to get out of the way. I have a killer knight and f5. My bishop's coming. I have an open file here looking at his queen and king, right? This can come with tempo. Shove another one. Bring a rook. If he takes it, he can't take because the rook will come. We're okay. I think we're okay. Whoa. I felt like I just moved his pawn. That's probably not a bad move. Now, I probably should take the bishop. So you want to play slow chess? Your favorite book has been Reassess Your Chess by Jeremy Silman, right? My System, Endgame Chess by Silman, Amateur's Mind, Using Modern Chess Openings to Help Me. Yeah, you know, it's funny you say that. I don't have my Reassess Your Chess anymore, but that book helped me gain 200 rating points in 1 year. Over the board tournament rating points. 4-hour game rating points. Pay money to play the tournament rating points, not chess.com, where you just play a game and you don't care. When you lose rating points, you die a little bit inside because you can't play again for another month till the next big tournament. I gained 200 points in a year, and that was from that book. And my system is a book I have. And Endgame Chess by Silman, if you're talking about the little easy one. Silman has a better one too, but this is the Essential Chess Endings Explained Move by Move. This is a great Silman endgame book. This is kind of just the facts, man. If I'm going to beat this guy, I got to pay attention. Brings the queen. Pawn takes, rook takes, maybe. Kick the knight. Take, knight takes. Queen takes doesn't work. I can't leave it there. If I come here, I could play knight a6. I don't really get a move. I feel like I need to do this, but I don't have time. I want to take, but I don't have time. Takes is no big threat. So, kicking the knight. I don't know what to do. I don't know what else to do. I'm up a piece. I'm up a piece. I felt like I was losing. How long have I been up a piece? Oh. When do you lose a piece? He takes. Okay, now we need to take here. When did he lose a piece? When do you lose a piece? I don't know when he lost the piece, guys. Respect. Yeah. Now you learn chess by being a need and remembering a bunch of openings and winning moves and in-game tactics. Then you get to 23 you lose and you start really playing chess. Yeah, that's just not true. Right. On the night, if it comes, okay, this is great. Take with the bishop. No, because it lets the queen in. We're up a piece, right? Move. Move! It's time to move. Oh, I guess I could have brought a rook. No, I want to take that pawn. I don't want him to protect it. No way, no how. No protecty rookie. Not happening on my watch. This would have been a blunder, I think. Well, I could have played rook. I could have played rook takes, I guess. Rook takes might have been better. I don't know. He could have pinned, right? I got to come back. Takes. Rook ends up over here. This is probably actually better. Although on the pin, I could have brought the other rook. But then maybe he might have given me some grief. Yeah, that might have lost. I don't know. I was up a piece, guys. I love the pawn. It is doing great things. It can look forward to a very bright future. Future, Ricky. The knight comes. It wants to come here. I think as we come... here. Probably should have brought a rook, I'm not going to lie. The knight comes. I play check. There was a threat because the bishop. And I think we just take the rook. Yeah, good game, dude. JDL, good game. We have a friend request from Kagros. Kagros, we are now friends on chess.com. You know what that means? It means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. There is still... someone's playing games out of the tournament, folks. It could be Happy Little Blunder. It is, I think. Only Eminem. Yeah, this is a tournament game. 1 second. Grab my water. You guys know that I didn't know I was down a piece that game? This is why I'm going to look at my games tomorrow. See, I play the games today. Tomorrow I look at the games. To go over them. I didn't know I was up a piece. Take pawn with rook attacking the queen. The Amateur's Mind is a great book by Silman, but his two best books are Silman's complete endgame course from beginner to master and how to reset your chess. Both, yeah, they are. They are, Dave Joyce. Do play offline tournaments. I used to play a lot. I don't. Last one I played was like Austin, the City Chess Club Championship. That was a long time ago. That was probably a year or two after I came to Texas. That was probably 15, 17 years ago. And I lost probably just like 2 rating points or something. I beat everybody lower rated than me and lost to everybody higher rated than me, which for me is a terrible result. I expect to beat everybody lower rated than me and beat some of the people higher rated than me. That's how my rating goes up. It works for me. It works for me. Okay. Der Schlackenspielpole. 1406. D4 knight f6. Think like a grandmaster, plan like a grandmaster. Yeah. What was your rating at that time? 18. I think my rating is 1870 something right now. 1871, 1873, something like that. I was 1994 when I was active, when I was a chess player. Now we take. When I played regular chess on a regular basis, I was 1994 was my peak. And then, you know, beautiful, beautiful woman came into my life. I started a business. I learned this from last game, guys. A5 first. Just looking at the first game of the day, I learned this move A5. I'm like, but what about A3 and B4? Takes the rook's hanging. He's not developed yet. So I have time to get my knight. Yeah, I do. I got time to get my knight, folks! Are you married? I gotta buy this round, so hopped back on stream. Making salmon. I was married for 21 years. 21 years. And that ended about 10 years ago. I feel like this is just like... Where does my queen go? I don't want to do this and this. So this is probably a little bit annoying. Stockfish played B6 last game, remember, guys? Why? I'll never know. He might play queen up and get rid of my bishop, which may not be the worst thing that ever happened to somebody. This doesn't make it... Well, it makes a hole here, but he can't get to it. It's pretty tough to get to it, right? Yeah, he can't get to it. I'm going to play B6. No. Of course. Hey, man. When a 21-year-old marriage, breaks up, there's a lot of bad things that come from it, right? But the fact is, I'm doing great, and she's doing great. And we still get along. As a matter of fact, I could call her right now. She'd answer the phone. If she's home, I'd say, I need to talk. I don't talk to her. I have a girlfriend. Like, I don't have a real close personal relationship with her anymore. But if I called her and said, I need you right now, she'd come over if I needed her. And if she called me, I'd help her out. Like, we're not there for each other on a daily basis. But we have kids. We have kids, right? I could go to her house right now and knock on the door. She'd open the door. I haven't lived there for 10 years. I've been divorced. I go over to the bookshelf and get some chess books. My chess books are still there. They're not there because I use them. They're not there because I go over there all the time. I don't go over there hardly at all. But my chess books are still there. They're still in a bookshelf. Like, she didn't burn my chess books. You know what I'm saying? I don't talk bad about her. The reasons that we broke up are between us. And, yeah. That's all it is. It's all it is, man. Okay, brings a rook. This doesn't feel right. This could be an idea looking at stuff. I don't feel like it's very strong like bull. This seems like a move you don't normally play, but I feel like I'm not getting my thing. Queen d7 could be a move. Queen e8 could be a move. Nope. A knight comes and it hits the square. This blocks my bishop, but it might be the best move. This is probably the best move. I'm not sure. What else to do here? Do I just do it at all costs? I guess I kind of can. I don't like unblocking my thing because I'm not going to take the knight. I'm not going to take it. I can't come to this file, and I don't want to stay here. Well, I guess I could. You have a personal question. How did you get over the pain of divorce? I'm still somewhat feel the pain of it after almost 2 years being divorced. You know what, man? Everyone's situation is different, right? Everyone's situation is different. It's no fun. Now it's like I want to do this so bad. So I'm going to do it. Oh my God, this can't be right. This can't be correct, guys. This can't be correct. Now I think I just play queen. And knight. Maybe we're on the bishop, which is kind of cool, right? Where does a queen go is the thing. I don't see the good way to unpin. If I come here, he moves his knight and my knight's pinned. If I come here, I'm blocking my bishop. I'm going to block my bishop. But it kind of feels weird. And I said, this way, he can play knight. So maybe I don't get this so quick. My queen has just so few squares. My bishop has few squares. Bishop, knight. He sacked a piece. We have to remember we're up a full piece. So, like, giving my bishop for this knight might not be the end of the world, especially since my knights are okay. And then bringing rooks and trading them down. I think I have to... I have to move pieces, guys. I have to move pieces. Plays F4, probably a really good move because of the pin. So I think I need to take this. And then get out of the pin. Can I get out of the pin now? Takes, queen takes could be a move. Takes, pawn takes could be a move, but I'm out of the pin. No, because it's not going to be protected. Takes, he's going to be on my knight. Wow, so does he really have play here? Okay, now I need to get out of the pin. Right here. I think I'm okay. I think I'm okay. The great defensive maneuver when they sack the piece like this is to bring the knight back. It covers squares. It hits the attacker all in one move. But I was kind of in trouble. He might have been okay there. I think on takes, I think I could just play queen takes with the massively centralized queen, and then just like play a rook over, or maybe even rook. I'll be on the bishop too, by the way. Okay. Now he's threatening bishop takes knight. But I could play, hit the queen. Hit the queen? Does this not work? Oh, I didn't see that. I have this one, though. Hit the queen. Yeah, hit the queen. Is this the best move, though? It might be. Because it attacks the queen. Doing it. God, I feel like I'm losing. You have a... Oh, yeah. Yeah, so everyone's situation is different, right? Everyone's situation is different, Hammer. I will say this. Time really does heal all wounds. Some things are just bigger deals than others. They take longer to heal. Yeah, oh, someone got some questions over to... Oh, yeah, okay. Please read chats, Durak. What... Wait. Durak, you're over here telling me what moves to make, and you're telling me please read chat. Why? So I'll make your move? I'm not going to read chat and make your move. Yeah, that hurts when you find the move but can't do anything. Yeah. If I, and by the way, Durak, if I look at chat and you say, his queen's hanging, take the queen, if I didn't see it, I feel like a cheater if I play it. I kind of like have to not play. If I see chat moves in chat, I don't play them. Now, we're up a piece. We have development. We have some dark square love. He's on my knight. I'm going to take. And then he's going to play bishop because he needs to, right? And then I'm going to play this move. Wait. Oh, I thought I could. F5 might be the move, believe it or not. You're like, what are you talking about? F5 might be the move. Because I'm up so much wood. You know what I'm saying? Takes. Rook takes. You know what I'm saying? I have a check that doesn't do anything. What am I up? A full... Oh, I'm up a full rook is what I'm up. Okay, so my rooks need to play chess or else I'm not up a rook anymore, right? So... Push. I guess he could push. No, he can't. Push, takes. He can't push because I'll take. I think this is the move. It's the move, too, because I have the light squared bishop, and he doesn't. You know what I'm saying? Yes, it massively weakens my king, but I am up a rook. What do I need? Open files, right? An idea would be bring the rook, but then... Oh, I dropped a pawn. Okay. Didn't see it. Oh, I didn't even see this idea in taking over there. Okay, this... He has a check. He's on my rook. If I come, he could play bishop. I could come here. He could come back. My bishop's pinned. I could unpin it. He could push by. The push by is what we don't want to allow. So I could maybe just be up a piece. I could maybe just be up a piece. And play like rook over. You know what I'm saying? That's a definite possibility. Just play rook over. Bishop takes, queen takes. I guess he could play then rook over. Another idea. Oh yeah, rook over, rook up, bishop. I could come here. Rook up, bishop. Oh, the bishop blocks. Oh, well, he can't push because my queen is here. What about this move? But he gets checks. Rook up, bishop back. Rook over, it's protected. Pawn takes, bishop takes is okay. Save the rook. It just seems weird. It's awkward, guys. Putting my rook and putting it here. You know what I'm saying? Letting him maybe pin or something. But it's not really pinned, is the problem. Pawn takes pawn. Bishop takes King takes. No, I don't want to do that. F5, I still... Well, no, F5 was a blunder because it blundered a piece. A pawn is what it did. I don't have any mate threats. This doesn't work because he just has a check. So I think we come. I spent a lot of time. Now, that's a position where, like, Hikaru would be like, you spent half your time, you're low on time, you spent half your time playing the obvious move. Well, yeah, I had to look. I had to look. I still think I'm okay if... Plus, I have the bishop pair. But I'm okay if my rooks come in. You know what I'm saying? If I move this rook, takes. It's like I'll just be up a full rook. The pieces are going to be everywhere. He shouldn't be able to be on me near as much as I'm on him. I'm on the bishop. What about this move? Where does he go? He comes here, I could come... He comes to g5, I can come to g6, but then he has e7 hitting my bishop. Then I could play the queen back. He could play the queen back. I play queen g6. So he shoves. Okay. I think we just take it. I think we just take it. Well, I think we win this way, right? I think his rook's hanging, guys. He might get my bishop, but... Well, actually, so maybe that's not good. Maybe this isn't good. But this isn't the end of the world either because it's trading down. But... No, he does get my bishop. I was thinking he'd come here and get my bishop. I have another rook. Pawn takes, queen check. It's going to be a little scary, but this is and if his queen does something to come at me like a spider monkey, I have a check to get back. I think I'm okay, man. I could even lose the other bishop. Okay, the rook comes. Great. Now I can attack his queen. Or I just play bishop takes? Bishop takes. Queen check. Can he... You can check me here or there. No, that could just take. Bishop takes. I might give up a piece, but I'm getting rid of the pawns. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. I'm still up a piece. The pawns are weak, man. I could take here, take here. I'm up a... What am I up now? A rook and a piece. Yeah. So I can do anything here without getting checkmated. Now, I can't do anything. Okay? But I can do a lot. I think he probably could have gone for that. No, he couldn't have gone for that line. It's a really good game. I'm really trying to use my brain, guys. I've been talking to chat too much in this game. And what if he starts coming at me like a spider monkey? He could get a piece with check. No, rook over. He can't. Rook takes, queen takes. It's too much. So queen check. Rook over. He can't even double up on me, guys. Even if he could double up on me, it doesn't matter because the... Yeah, he does that. Okay, now... That doesn't work. Okay, the bishop is kind of pinned, guys. It's a little bit pinned. Takes, rook takes, rook takes. And I should be winning. I don't know what else to do. I had to move. Okay. Now, probably take the pawn and defend the pawn. I think I need to defend stuff, though. I think I need to defend stuff. He has a queen, but we can attack squares. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I'm so low on time. The queen is going to be so dangerous. So dangerous. But I'd stop some checks. Checks are important. And putting pieces on squares that are defended is important. This is defended. That's what matters. He could push defending his pawn, I guess. But I'm going to come up here and put stuff, and he can't push because I'll take. He's using his brain and his mind, not looking at chat, not shutting it off, though. I looked at that move. I looked at it. What was it? Oh, God. I looked at my clock and said 0.8. I'm like, 0.8? Yeah. Tick-tock, he will lose. I lost. Good game, whoever that was. Good game. Oh, I get bucked now. Back to back. Guys, buck is tough. Yo, so much wood is in chess pieces made out of wood. Either way, I like the sound of that saying. It is very good. It is made of wood. Buck Wild is a strong chess player, guys. Stronger than the last guy, I think. I know I lost on time. Sophie Ann said, amazing. Thank you. I lost, Sophie Ann. It wasn't that amazing. It's actually very bad. It was made of sad. Buck, get to your board. You're not playing again. There's a few reasons. You could have been marked as AFK from chess.com. Buck, get to your board. You could have been playing another game. You could have been... There could be an uneven number of players, and you are the lowest rated player, and therefore you get a bye. These are all reasons how you could have maybe not got a game. 1 second. You know when you know you're out of coffee, but like you just look anyway? E4, E5. Bishop C4. Bishop's opening. Proper. Is it cheating? Is it cheating if I hold the bishop's opening book while I'm playing somebody? What's he doing? Just castles. Is it cheating, guys? What if I open it? I can't see it. Okay. Play C3. Play a nice little Italiano. Wow. Hey, we're getting a little bit of action over there on the old Facebook stream. How you guys doing? We got some new people coming in. Welcome to the stream. My name's Charlie. We play guitar, we play chess. We play games like Elden Ring After Dark, which we're probably playing Elden Ring tonight. Yeah. Okay, plays B6. I have to remember to play my D4 move, guys. I never play it. I never played D4, guys, and I'm supposed to. It's in the rules. You're a space-time engineer. Steinberg, you say that every time. At Blue Ridge and in Princeton, I used to play chess as a teenager. Steinberg, I love you, brother. I know who you are now. You've made it very clear. You're a space-time engineer at Blue Origin in Princeton. You used to play chess as a teenager. That is awesome. I remember you, my friend. Which opening do you play the most? I very often play this opening that you're looking at now, called the Bishop's Opening. Do I take it? I think I have to. I think I have to. I think I have no choice, guys. Rings the knight, threatening the square. I don't know why! I think we just bring the knight. There's not enough pins here, guys. I got rooks, I got bishops. Whoa. Okay, I think we simply take 2 pieces. For the rook, right? I think I can play bishop takes. It's undeveloped, by the way. The knight is also very annoying. Bishop takes. I have 2 insanely centralized bishops. This isn't pinned. It's also protecting. He can't even come here attacking. So yeah, we just do this. 2 pieces are better than a rook, guys. Buckwild's a good player, making. You could look at that game and probably learn from it. So I play the Bishop's Opening. I play for fun. I play Latvian Gambit a lot. It's not a free knight because he can get a rook. This would be free, but he can now capture 5 points for 3, and he can get 2 points back. So it's not a free knight. A free knight means it's free. That's like a free hamburger, but you got to buy a Coke. Well, so it's kind of free. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. God, I lost that game on time. Dave Joyce, you got people being rude in chat. You get to ban anybody, Dave Joyce? Message deleted. I want to see what it says. All right, how are you? 1700 with 300 skills. Hey! Set them up. Set them up, sister. Okay, now do I play this move or do I play this move? No, definitely this move. Okay, now I think we do this. Do I have any check? Queen check? No, but I can do this, and this is protected. If I do this, how does he... I mean, he has some ideas. Rook e7. Bishop back c5. That's a way to consolidate. Bishop back. Here, rook e7. I mean, rook e7, queen b3. Queen b3, it's my move. Rook e7. And I don't really have any big hits. And the thing is, don't know if I have time to bring my rook. And this could get messed up too. So maybe this move? No, it should be a developing move. Like queen. Oh, he's threatening queen. He's threatening bishop takes. And then taking my bishop. I think I might come back to this square. It's unprotected. Gives him queen f6 though. I have to move. I can't let him beat me on time. I'll tell you something else. Earlier I played the 15-10 game And guess what? I think that's how I lost on time. This is 10 minute with a 5-second increment, and I lost on time. Yeah, this is pretty forced, so we're just gonna do it. Right. Queen comes. Trying to mess my pawns up. It doesn't do anything. I should have played this move to bring the bishop back. I think that was the way to defend it. It's okay, though. We feel okay with our situation. I think if I come here, he can't... The thing is, there's no way... How's it... You know what I'm saying? What's he going to do? Can I move the knight? I can move the bishop. I want to develop's a problem. I could develop here. It's not that bad. He's gonna have to play F. He's gonna have to move his king and move his queen, and then play F5, F4. You know what I'm saying? So I think I can play this move. I don't really want to. It feels weird, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. Wow. Wow. I'm mind blown on this. I think with the files closed, I think we do this. No, I'm not sure what to do. Buckwild, yeah, Buckwild's a good player, man. Buckwild's a good player. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. If you like chess, we have a long running community here. We've been doing this tournament every Wednesday for 5 years. So, you know, we'll probably be here next week. This might be the Grandmaster plan. Brings the rook. There's a check. It does nothing. So I'm going to come here. You can't push. This is going to open up the bishops. We're attacking the base of the food chain, guys. You want to kill a bear? You know how you kill all the bears in the world? Kill the bees. That'd be a horrible idea. Okay. Just save the pawn. I didn't weaken anything. He's just chasing me to better squares. Okay, maybe he'll chase me to a worse square, but guess what? His rook's going to be on a worse square too. Doesn't have a lift. Doesn't have a lift. The bishops are doing okay. I'm not loving this pawn on f4, but probably should let it go. Take, activate the rook. It's a doubled pawn, right? Killing all the bees would affect more than just the bears. That's what I'm saying, Mathcore. No, that's the point. That's the whole point of it. Now, I think we come here. Check back, does nothing. I just come in the corner. Put baby in a corner. It's okay. My bishops are going to cover stuff. Worst case, okay, he's attacking stuff that's not being attacked. Takes, rook takes. I think rook takes is fine. Takes with the pawn. You love to see it. Improve the rook. Guys, I'm trying to play chess over here. You know one crazy thing? I get to play this move. I get to play this move. Takes, I just take. Yeah, but the point is, if you want to get to this pawn, Mathcore, it's protected. So you attack the base of the food chain. Okay. Now, do I come in here and give him that hope? Just to hold this pawn? Come up? Oh, no, just come up. Just come up. Or just come back. This is better. Now I take with the rook. Or I take with the bishop. I think we take with the rook. Because the threat is so insane. But the bishop takes check. No, then yeah, I think we take with the rook. Well, yeah. Take with the rook. Okay, and then I think we played his move. And attack more pawns. And attack more squares, by the way. I'm going to take this pawn. I have 2 connected passed pawns. The bishops are going to run active rook, back rank threats, G7 threats. It's too much. But he's not a quitter, guys. Now, takes, bishop takes, rook check. I come up. He's got to go back to his home. He can't do anything here. I'm going to take. Because I want my bishop here. I want his life to be a defensive maneuver. He's my friend. I love Buck Wild. I like his attitude. He's an up-and-comer. You can tell he is getting better at chess. But right now, the friend thing's out the window. All right? Right now, I'm playing my arch enemy. He's not my arch enemy. Right now, I'm trying to crush my friend's soul. It's terrible, guys. Got to be careful not to be dropping stuff. The back rank mate is just too much. You can't even... I looked at this idea, and I can't take because rook takes. But back rank mate. Bishop is indirectly defended because of the back rank mate. He can't attack my rook. He'll just lose a rook. So he has to, like, make balloons. And then... Do I push? No, I definitely take. I'm like, do I push? Do you? Do I push? No, you don't push. And the beautiful thing is this bishop is covering a infiltration maneuver. Yeah, my king is safe. My king is very, very safe. My bishop's covered too many squares. This bishop's protected. This bishop's got a little bit of shield. The rook is protected. The back rank is threatened. This is happening after... Takes, rook threatens. I just come back and make a big threat. He can't take my bishop because of the back rank mate. He's like a move behind, guys. He's like a move behind. Even if he gets out of the back rank threat, I think I take. If rook takes, I don't think he can stop the pawn. You can't. Because you can't. Check. Okay, I think we come here. He's trying to attack stuff. I think we don't worry about it. I can't completely defend it, but this comes with tempo. Although, wait, when I come here and he defends, his rook will be on the same file as my king. I mean, is that a big deal? If I come this way and he comes here and I try to do something else, he takes with check. So I think we don't allow that. So I think we attack the rook. He attacks a pawn. We come here threatening the world, and there's almost no way to stop it. And then we take. He'll have to stop it this way. And then we take. He can get a pawn. No other threats. We simply improve. And then we push. And we improve. And we might go take, push. Like Magnus Carlsen. Take. You guys know how to do that? Oh, that's what the analogy was for. Sorry, I'm only have attended to the stream. No, I got you. No, that was the point. I wasn't just making light about killing all the bees on the planet, okay? I am not about destruction. I kind of need to hang out on Earth for a little while longer. Now, I could really do this if I want to. And keep everything. But this takes Bishop here, I think locks him down. I'm winning a pawn, I'm giving a pawn. Need a penny, take a penny, guys. Didn't you watch The Simpsons? Durak, accept my request. What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you not see I'm playing a tournament game right now? Question. Are you aware that it's possible there's someone on this planet beside you? I know. You're 14. Dude, I was 14. Now you're 13. I was 13, dude. Oh, man. Difference between you and me is I've been doing this a long time. I get it. I get your frustration. Here's what I tell everybody. And I mean it. I mean this. It could sound a little sarcastic, but I mean this 100%. It gets better. It gets better. You'll get through school. You'll become a person. You'll move out. You'll pay your own bills. No one's going to tell you where to sleep. No one's going to tell you how to act. You're going to have to learn yourself. But yeah, you sound a little bit nervous, like you talk a lot in chat. Be careful. Be careful. Because the mods might snooze you because it could be overwhelming to the rest of the community. Yeah, Jack Payne's trying to be nice. After the match, man. I play viewers tomorrow. Yeah, I play viewers tomorrow at the stream starts the same time this one did. Is this guy to beat me on time? The 14:06? Grab more water, 1 second. Well, I'll take you guys. What? Guys, go with me to the coffee cam. What? Rakeem's not here today, huh? Where's my Rakeem? Felevo, 1636, 3 out of 3. Looking good, brother. Might get to play him next. Takes. Magnus started a company called Takes. I know that he would say takes, but the same way I have coffee mugs to say it's a move, that's a chess saying. You know what I mean? What's Eric Rosen? Oh no, my queen. Psh. Probably saying that before Eric Rosen was born. Not even kidding. I mean, I was. Oh no, my queen is probably 200 years old. Not putting Eric down. Because a lot of people that are new to chess, the first time you hear it when someone goes, oh no, my queen. It's funny, right? It's funny. I like it. It's just like, it's a move. You know, when my opponent makes a move and it's like, well, it's a move. It's a move. I mean, they took a piece and they put it on a different square. It's a move that maybe it doesn't really do anything. You know what I mean? They're all just catchphrases. Gotham did pretty good with his sacrifice. The Rook! Yeah, that's a pretty good one. That's been going on forever. Oh no, my queen. like I said. Well, how old's Eric Rosen? And because I think Eric Rosen, I think he might have like "Oh No My Queen" T-shirts, right? Not putting him down. I love Eric. I've met Eric, but I'm saying I didn't invent "It's a Move" for sure. And now the Botez Gambit is unique. It's unique to Andrea Botez, right? Or Alexandra Botez. Yeah. The Botez Gambit. That's original. Sacrifice the Rook screaming. That's original. Let me grab the cup. I'll show you. See, this is the Charlie Sardo two-sided It's a Move coffee mug. It's a move. Eric Rosen's might have a picture of him and it might say, "Oh No My Queen." It's great, right? They're chess sayings. They've been around forever. Eric's early 30s, all right? Eric's early 30s. Yeah. And I've been playing chess way before that. So yeah, absolutely. "Oh No My Queen" is it's old. And it's way older than me, guaranteed. You could ask an old grandmaster, they'd be like, "Oh No My Queen? What do you mean?" You hear it the first time you go to the chess club. It's like, yeah, I know. That's what I thought, but I don't know. The Rook! I know, yeah. Can I buy one of your mugs? Yeah, let's see if... Do I have merch set up? I'll tell you. There we go. That's how you buy my mug. And I'll be honest with you. I don't make a bunch of money on the mugs. I don't make a bunch of money on any of my merch. I don't have such a huge community where it's like, "Hey, honey, we made $1,000 on merch this month." Yeah, no. A lot of months I make no money on merch. Some months I make $3 on merch. You know what I'm saying? There's a little slider where you can set the... Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that's looking... Food Open's getting in trouble over here. There's a little slider where you can slide the profit for every item, and it's like... I slide them down a little bit. Couple years ago, I slid them down to 0 for the Christmas season, because, like I say, it's not any income that's going to make a huge difference in my life. Chat was like, "You got to make merch. You got to make merch." I'm like, okay, we'll make it. It's a Move. So we got the It's a Move coffee mug. We got these really cool socks. The socks are not cheap, but they're very comfy. Feeding Master David Bassett got them, and he wore them to TwitchCon, where he accompanied me, where we went and saw Ludwig and the Botez sisters. Yeah. And he was wearing his Charlie Sardo gaming socks. Hoodies. Lois has a hoodie. You got 410. Really? Yeah, it says unauthorized. All right. I'm going to have to look into that. You know what? It's possible. I paid money every month for Streamlabs because I got like, it's just a streaming thing, because I got something I wanted out of it. And then, you know, like you have too many subscriptions, right? I realized I don't need it anymore. So I canceled it. And maybe you can't have a merch store if you don't pay for Streamlabs. It's all on demand. They have, like, you know, they make a deal with the mug company. I upload the art. And you know what I had to do? I had to buy this mug and the smaller one. I had to buy a t-shirt. I had to buy a hoodie. I had to buy a pair of socks. I had to buy a page of stickers. What else did I buy? I had to buy... my cost on everything was like $112. Because I had to look at it before I sell it to you guys. You know what I'm saying? I had to look at it. I couldn't be like, "Hey, go ahead and spend $9 on a coffee mug," and then you get it and it's like, "Dude, it's crooked," and "Oh, my handle broke off after 2 days." You know what I'm saying? I had to check the quality. That's what you do. And I'm sure I've made my initial $112 back, but not by a lot. I didn't do it to make money. I did it for you guys. I'm gonna look into that, Rob. I will look into it, Rob. Thank you. I put that. You see the link? Streamlabs, Charlie Sardo merch. Yeah, so it's all automated, right? So like I didn't buy mugs and I mail them to you. That would be a higher profit margin, but it would be way more work. and I'd have to buy 200 mugs at a time to get them cheap, right? Or 500. I'd have to invest a bunch of money, and I'd have boxes of mugs in my house. But if you upload the artwork to them, then when you order it, it just computer over to the factory. It gets printed. I guarantee it goes down a conveyor. It goes in a box. The label comes on it. No one ever touches it. It gets shipped to you. You get it, right? It's and the turnaround time, I think they tell you 2 weeks, but the stuff always comes in like 7 to 10 days. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to look into the merch now. And you know what's funny? I thought that my Nightbot is my Nightbot. See, Nightbot's talking in my other chats, but Nightbot is not talking in Twitch chat. Although that merch thing I just did, I think that was Nightbot that responded, so I don't know. Point is, I spent a bunch of time this morning trying to be sure my bot was working on Twitch. Let me see if I type tournament on Twitch and see what happens. There you go. Nightbot. There you go. Yeah, Nightbot. But it's not doing the it's not doing the thing on Twitch. It's not saying stuff like every 15 minutes saying, hey, you don't have a chess.com account? Click here. You know what I mean? It's not doing that. Okay. Am I playing an accelerated dragon? We have successfully he plays E5. Oh, so I'm supposed to play D6? Yep. Okay. You know, it's funny. I studied this as white. And I know this is the best move. I do. I know it's the best move. I know you just got to go back. Isn't that funny? Daniel Abbott, if you're here, knight h5, g4 would have cost me the farm. Now I can take this way, takes, castles, give him that advantage. Or I could take toward the center. It still blocks the knight. But then where does my knight go? I guess my knight could come to this square. But I'm not going to be able to play this and come this way. Is it better just to trade stuff? This is symmetrical, which could be rather draw-ish. I could do... Here. I have ideas. The queen comes. He wants the castle queenside. Doesn't work. Should I do this? I think I have to do this. Do I have to do it now? Do I start shoving? No, he's going to castle. I'm coming here. Okay, then I think I play F5 or F6. I can't. And if I come to this square... So I'm in a lot of trouble here, guys. I'm losing. Here he has G4. Then I could come here. I'm doing it. Tired of losing on time, folks. We're going to attack his king. If he castles this way, I have an open file. I have a quick thing. I have a bishop attacking his king. My position's odd, but if I castle and bring my bishop, like play a5 and bring my bishop out, then I'm ahead in development. Right? Yeah. The knight comes. He wants to play check. Just castle. I don't think this was a good move. This might not have been a good move either. Because, yeah, this... If I go, takes en passant, looks okay. I want to check him. Oh, he could just bring the bishop back with tempo. I didn't see it. Don't hurry with castling. Let him get e5. It was horrible, Alec. I know. You know what's funny? I just watched this. Okay, now I can't do this yet. Can I bring the knight and hit the queen? Oh, I could do this. Pawn takes, bishop takes check. I think I can play this move. I'm doing it. I think we're both playing a little fast. I should have slowed down. If it doesn't profit you right now, then there's no need. Isn't knight d4 winning a pawn? I don't know. I just know that he's trying to come down the H-file, but I get a pawn. I'm attacking the bishop. If he takes, I'm just going to take his bishop. The knight's pinned. Bishop comes back. I can now hit the queen and send the queen back to the pregame lobby where it belongs. I'll have you know. Can I come here? What if he like does something like this? I have a check. Oh no, I could take. He could take check with the intermezzo. He could win a pawn. You know what I'm saying? So that's probably a real threat. So maybe just queen back? Just queen back. It's a little bit scary. It's a slight bit scary. Ecom Glacier made you in 5 moves. No! It's okay, Making Salmon. You will get there. We're going to give you a workshop real soon. Yeah. People are... Yeah, see, the Nightbot on that stream is pretty... Okay, I was hoping for this move, but this can't be the right move, guys. I mean... If I hit the queen, isn't he forced back to his home where he belongs? The pre-game lobby? I think he is, guys. I think if I hit the queen, he's forced to the pre-game lobby. Let's send him back to the pre-game lobby where he belongs. Is that the move? I'm not attack. I was like, wait, do I have a mate or something? No. Pushing doesn't do much right now. Bishop e6 is kind of biting on some granatorial scenarii. I think we improved the knight. Controlling. You play queen to d3, I guess. I don't know if that was the maneuver. It brought my bishop with tempo. Now we get the fork. Oh, man. I didn't see it. Okay. Does he have a check? No. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I was wrong. takes an F5. And how does he stop the fork? Takes, queen takes, F5. I'm on the queen. He has nothing. Oh, wait. Takes, queen takes, S5. He has bishop C4. So we do have to be aware a little bit of what's going on in the posizione. I think we bring a rook. Which rook? It's always the wrong rook. This rook takes, gives me this square. And then there is also an open file over here, so I'm just going to put this here. With a really, really naughty threat. Yeah, dude, everyone is tough. And you're tough too, Only Man. Be tough too. Dude, I love you guys. I love the YouTube vertical has so many people. The turnover is so high. People come in. Every once in a while, we pick up a new chiller, right? If you guys like what you see, you want to be a chiller, you like the best community in the world, definitely hit the subscribe button on YouTube, hit the follow button on Twitch, and hit the like button and the follow button on Facebook, man. Okay, he does that, but I think we get in, right? And I really don't have the huge threat yet, but I can do something like this to start. What do I do? Takes F5, bishop C4, D6. I probably had that. I didn't see the last, the final scenario. You know what I mean? That drops my queen. My bishop is here. There's an idea of knight hitting the queen, and then the knight can come somewhere. I could also push. I think this is the idea first. I'm not sure. I could reroute the knight somewhere, like knight and knight. You know, are you feeling me? You feeling me? Knight, because the queen is pinned, and then I could maybe come somewhere. Am I up material? I have 1, 2, 3 pieces. I have to count them, guys, because I literally didn't know earlier. And I'm very, 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 very low on time. Just move. Okay. That was probably a little premature. He had this move ready, but now his king side is getting a little bit worked on. His king side, or his queen side, is where his king is what I mean. I'm doing what I can, gotta win, but gotta shake the rust off more. It's not rust, man. I mean, you might have some rust. Maybe you play better than you're playing today, but you can just work on, now, maybe takes and push. Knight back, hit the queen. I want to do this, but he has pawn takes. So maybe this first. I just prepared something, guys. I just prepared a move. The queen comes back unpinning. But I could come here. And then he goes there. And then I go nowhere. So takes. Now if f5, it doesn't do much. Queen's doing nothing. Let's maybe bring... I can do this now. Yeah, because I took the knight. It was the point. It was the point! Attack the queen. Then f5, maybe open up the bishop. Dude, I think I'm thinking too hard right now. Just come down the file, I guess. Attack the pawn, maybe? No, it's defended. This check doesn't... Oh, it might do something. Is that mate? No, but it does some stuff, though. Ah! I didn't see it! I didn't see it. Okay, the light squares I'm not as worried about right now. I didn't see it. I get the active rook. King comes. Okay. I'm gonna rook back. Oh, he got that move. I didn't see it. Ah! I had it a move before I saw it, guys. Right as I did the other move, I saw it. Oh, I don't need that. Okay, because this is good, so we just come. We just come. This... Yeah, it's probably not a bad move. Okay, the king comes. Check and take the pawn, right? For sure. Okay. Which one do we take? Do we take this way so we can, like, do stuff? Or do we take this way? I'm not sure. Is this better? It doesn't threaten anything, so we can, like, start pushing our pawn. Right? Then we go for this one. This bishop is a big pawn, but guess what? It's a big pawn that is doing some serious, serious work. Wow, I thought I was attacking something. It just loses the pawn. So I'm okay. My big pawn is doing fine. I got the world's biggest pawn. I got a fever. I got a fever for the world's biggest pawn. I am up, in addition to that, 3 to 5, right? I'm up 2 pawns plus the world's biggest pawn. Right? Okay. I got a fever. Now he's out of checks. These pawns are going, and the world's biggest pawn will ride again. Okay, is this check? Does he have squares? Is this come to Papa moment? I think he has 1 square. Now, is this mate? It's like a ladder mate in the middle of the board, guys. Isn't that crazy? You got it. And my world's biggest pawn never got to get bornt. Oh, big pawns want to get bornt. I dropped a rookie. Take it, really? Yeah. Good game, man. I believe it. That was a bad game. You play only drunk and somehow 1600 bullet. Amazing. Did I have knight takes bishop? Oh, okay. Is what round is this? Round 5 of 5 already? Round 5? This tournament goes so fast. I was having so much fun. Filivo. I need to beat Filivo to win the tournament, folks. Yep. He'll stay at 3.5. I'll go to 4. Wait, there's other 3s though, right? Yeah, so it's my only chance. Okay. I dropped a rook. I moved 38. I didn't see it. What was that? You? Who are you talking about? Schlockspiel. Oh man. Now what do we do? Do we just do this? I think we do. It's been working. Oh, you're the guy that beat me on time? What was your name again? What's your name on chess.com? That's what I'm trying to get to. Yeah. Yeah, that was kind of cool, huh? When your opponent's king has like very few squares, it's kind of cool just to when you get to see it. Okay. Now, I think this is by far the best move, but I think I can get away with this. It was good enough for the first game. It'll be good enough for this game. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's so funny. We have 3 interesting chats in a row. Plays E6. Just start fixing it. Yeah, this was similar to the first game of the day, not in the tournament, but my 15-10 game before the tournament. And I think, unless it was the first round game, I don't think it was. And the guy sacked a piece trying to attack me. It didn't work. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. See, my Nightbot is talking now. I don't understand why. It's like it took a minute to get involved, folks. Twitch is absolutely growing. The community is growing, guys. We have a community across platforms, but a lot of people are all over all platforms. I say just pick the one you like, and we're growing them all. Because it's one all under one umbrella. He moved his piece twice. Do I then move my piece twice? No. I castle. I don't move pieces twice. Well, actually, this might have been the best move. But the thing is, it's the best move, but it was the best move back here. And he slipped. And he ended up playing a Caro Can't. Yeah, and then he's like, okay, now I want to play C5. 1 second. Why do they always move right when I run to the... The knight comes. Okay. I put my pieces on all the squares they're supposed to go on, guys. It's a system. Game 500 ELO says old and thank you, man. I used to be 400 ELO. I wonder, like, when I was 11, before I started going to chess club, but I just really cared about chess, maybe got a couple books from the library. If I would have played tournaments, I wonder what my rating would have been then. We'll never know because, well, because I wasn't playing tournaments, folks. You never know what your rating's going to be until you get down, get funky, get live, and go out there. And it's actually great, though, because now you actually can. You can play at home on chess.com, which is actually really cool. People used to guesstimate their rating. Oh, I don't do tournaments, but I beat my friend sometimes, so I'm probably around 1,600. And they have no idea what 1,600 is. You know how many people I know? Wow. Do you know how many people I know that thought they were 1,600 until they went and played a tournament or two, and their rating came in at 1,010, and they were like, oh, okay. So you're saying it's not as simple as it looks. Can I play this move? I probably can. Stockfish is going to tell me to do this, but I just feel like then I might... Because the pin is actually a little bit annoying, but I can't really get rid of it. What I do in King's Indian game, I just got rid of it. Do I do that before I lose on time? Push, back, and then push. It comes with tempo. Do I play something like this? This could be an okay move, I guess. He has to take with a knight. I want to play this. I need to move fast if I want to take a freaking bio break. And I'm not doing it. There are ideas. Knight back. Knight comes. Okay. Here. I'm doing it. I kind of did it to push, but maybe I still want to do this. I could play knight, and if I could play knight, and if pawn takes, takes. I could kick the knight. This might be the move. I need 1 second. Okay, has he done anything wrong? Yeah, his king's in the middle of the board. His knight's unprotected. He's done some things wrong. Kick the knight. Takes. Looks pretty good for me. He'd have to play bishop takes, then I can take. I hit the rook. I'm still in a knight. No, the knight's gone. I think I hit the knight and break the center open. Doing it. Is it a blunder? I had to ask myself, okay, now I'm not fully developed, but I have a heavy piece looking at his king. And I said, what has he done wrong? The knight comes. Okay. Okay, so takes, he's going to take back with the queen and allow the discovered attack. And I win. So I think we're crushing right now. I had to go look at Stockfish, guys. No, I had to do a thing. And then I was asking myself, and I came back to ask you guys, what has he done wrong? Do I have any right, before I move my bishop or my rook, do I have any right to try and win? And I'm like, this knight's not protected, man. My rook's looking at his king. The knight comes. Okay, so I think we take a piece. He could then play queen takes, but then I come back and he has nothing. No, oh no, I'm not on that. Okay, if I take, he takes back with the knight and he blocks, and I think he's okay. So I think we have to take a piece. Right. Now we take and hit the rook and threaten the world. The beauty of this position is, like, if he could play f6, and he probably can, and he kind of has to, and then I'm going to take. I'm probably going to take. You know, there could be maybe something, but there's not. Because if he doesn't take this bishop back, he plays there. Okay. I think we take what... Do we take with check and keep the knight, keep that pinned, and he can't castle? This is a really good move, but I think we take the rook. I think I take the rook. Takes, bishop takes, takes, after queen takes, I can play queen here. Ready to trade stuff. It could get a little bit scary, but I think with my knight, although my knight's going to be on dark squares, there could be a win here. Is there a check? Is there a check we need to know about? Oh, this threatens. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. I was going to say it threatens, but it doesn't. I'm just going to take more wood because my queen's coming here. My knight's coming here on an eternal square. My bishop gets out. My rook, I'm just okay. As a matter of fact, he can't castle because his bishop's going to be hanging. Yeah, that's probably the best move. I'm taking this. Is there a better move? Like rook takes, king takes, and then check could be an idea. What am I up right now? Just pawns and a king, a weak king. I'm doing it. Trading queens, folks. Okay, I looked at something wrong. I mislooked at something. This protects, but allows him to castle. But it gets developed. Can I come here? He can make a pin. It doesn't do anything. This protects the pawn. This move says you can't castle. And it protects the pawn. It does give him bishop g6, but then then I can come here. And he still can't castle. And he kind of needs to trade down. So I think we're going to come here and say, now you can't castle. I could play rook takes, queen takes, bishop, queen here. It doesn't actually force a trade of queens. He has this move. So I'm going to come here. Oh, but queen, he has bishop. So we might just need to then develop. It's okay. I'm going to develop. Yeah. Probably shouldn't let him castle. Do we defend the pawn? He's going to come here with a threat. No, he's not. I really need to bring... If I do this, he could pin it. Wow. Okay, so bring the bishop. It's very complicated. Brings the bishop. Okay, attacking my knight. It's a move. Do I do this? Oh, he's hit my queen! Ah! Dude, I almost dropped my queen. I almost dropped my queen! Queen comes, probably not a bad move. Do we start, like, doubling? Oh, he's hitting my pawn. Yeah, I think I'm okay. I only won, like, one pawn? No, I'm going to exchange. He has a bishop pair. Dude, I'm horrible at counting material, man. That's a move. With some threatening stuff. Takes, bishop takes, rook over. This is covered. I'll be on the queen, but then he will have threats, but then I can stop the threats, I think. So... God, it just turned red, guys. I didn't hear the rattlesnake, though. Okay, my pieces are active. I lose, I lose, but my pieces play chess. Okay. This way? I don't know which way. I don't know which way. I see the threat. I guess I have to do it this way. My rooks are active. But this square is getting too weak. He's gonna take. He had an option to take. We take back with the pawn. You know why? No reason. His rook is pretty active on that file. And it's kind of attacking. I kind of want my rook here. Takes. Okay. Hit it. Wow, I think he had a move there. As soon as this opens up, I think I'm going to be okay for a couple of good reasons. The rooks are very active, and this knight doesn't play chess. And it's for those reasons. I think we'll probably be okay. Bishop comes here. Okay. Oh, he's threatening that. Oh my god. Hit the queen. Now I've got a lot of stuff to look at though. Because now I just realized I discovered this. Just trying to get my rooks active, guys. That's all I'm trying to do is get my rooks active. That's a good move. He takes my rook, so I guess we come here. The knight's actually doing a lot of good work. It's covering a lot of squares. Takes, do we pawn take or do we rook take? I think rook takes is good because of this square. This square. Plays knight takes. I think I can come here and he doesn't have checks. Well, he does have a check on this square. Queen takes, check. That could be bad. So, rook takes. If rook takes, knight comes. Brings the queen. You know what's crazy? After bishop takes, pawn takes, the knight still... Oh no, it gets out here. It gets out here. This will hit with a little tempo. This could fall with... Yeah, no, well... Okay. Guess just takes, because I gotta move. If I come here, knight checks. He has knight check, but I think I come here. There's no check. And then I think we come here, and he is completely doomed to protecting this pawn. We could dig here, we could dig here, we could run this. We could triple up on it. Okay, threatening mate. It's probably a good move. I think I made it for sure. I don't know. Maybe I can come here. The thing is, the rook's gonna block the queen. The knight comes back. Okay. The knight went back to its home. Can you believe that? Knight maybe? Yeah, he didn't see it the first time. He didn't see it the first time, guys. I thought he might not see it. There's no check here. I saw that. That's all I saw, though. Dude. That was tough! I can't wait to look at this game! Did I have 96, Josh? I blundered. No, I saw it. I saw it. It's so funny, man. I saw it like... I saw it the first time when you said you blundered it with that move. Where was it? Here. I think I saw it. And I'm like, he didn't see it the first time in my head, but then he saw it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm looking at the threads. I'm not going to look at the analysis on this. Is this winning for him? What's a better move? Rook check? It looked good. But I think he was out of stuff, guys. And then what happens here? Because I'm threatening What? What am I threatening? He could just move the queen somewhere. Oh, yeah, because he can't come back. He can't come back. So if he moves the queen, I check. And the queen comes back. I take it. Bishop comes back. I play queen takes. You see what I'm saying? I'm on the queen. Oh, man. DScam009 with the sub. Thank you, man. Tadeo Enriquez with the like. Bill Stevens with the like. Shinta Alia with the like. Rhodes. Robert Pritchard. Thank you guys for the likes. Damn, you got me in the opening. Phil Veo, dude. Did I get you in the opening? I don't know that I did, man. I think that you were kind of okay. And I'll tell you, I played Feeding Master David Bassett before, and I played this King's Indian attack against him, and he played this kind of thing. He played this kind of thing. He played on the side of the board. Well, your pawns are pointing this way, right? You're supposed to. You have space over here. You don't have space over here. I just don't know if you did it, correctly. But the idea was right. I think you're playing on the right side of the board. But normally you don't do this. That's weakens my king, right? But this is not protected, and my rook's looking at your king, and I'm like, if I can open it up, it should favor me. Now I'll tell you this, Philevo, congratulations, man! You played a great tournament, dude, and you almost had me. Guys, I won 4 out of 5. There's no way for the cash. I took it home, guys. I took it home. That was a tough tournament, dude. Buddha opening 1263 with 3.5. That's a great tournament, Buddha opening. Very, very good. JDL rated 1,000 in 4th place, 3 out of 5. JDL, you're very, very strong. For 1,090, JDL at 1,090 finished ahead of Dr. Schockenspiel at 1,406, Pilot Cougar Chess at 1,300, Eco Voyager at 1,565, Buckwild at 1,400. Yeah, and then those other guys, there's a couple guys down there rated higher than you. But JDL finished ahead four people. 4 people that were hundreds of points higher than him. That's a good tournament. Oh, it was rough, dude. It was rough. Rakim! Okay, good. Rakim, stay here. And Eco Voyager, stay here. I got to tell you guys something. I mentioned it yesterday, but you might not know. I'm taking Durak's friend request. No. I'm not even going to, because I know he's going to spam me. He's going to spam me. He spam chat. He's going to spam here. Rakim, watch this. I'm going to go to community clubs. Okay, so I won the tournament today, okay? But last week's tournament, did you guys see what happened? Club events. Wait for it. I'm going to show you guys. This was right here. That's the one I won. First place, WB Volt. He got banned for fair play off chess.com. That was last week. So, because of this, he is banned from the tournament. And I got first place last week. Eco Voyager now, you moved up to second place. And Rakim, you got third place. Yep. Hey guys, don't cheat. Good things happen to you. Yeah, so that guy just disappears off the list. He disappears off the list. I was second. Eco Voyager was third. Rakim was fourth. Now we all move up a notch because the fair play guy's gone. And it's, I got first place, Eco Voyager second, and Rakim, you got third last week. Good tournament. And we did it. I lost against the VW Bolt. No. Yeah, I did. Eco Voyager lost one to me, but did you play you didn't have to play that guy. And Rakim played, Rakim lost 1 game to me and 1 game to the guy who got banned from fair play. And these are unrated games. So if you think you won't get banned for unrated chess, you're wrong. I'm starting to see more, because I never play unrated, but in the tournaments, And for chess versus viewers, now I play in rated games sometimes, right? And guess what? I'm starting to see in my on my list, my history, I'm starting to see people getting banned. Because I guess they think it's funny to play the streamer when they're cheating or something. I don't know. Guys, they're 12. They'll grow up. It's okay. We want them to be okay. And they will eventually. But hopefully, right? But yeah, so Rakim, last week you didn't get 4th place. Last week you should have got a trophy. 3rd place trophy, Eco Voyager, 2nd place trophy. I got the 1st place trophy last week. Yeah, there's a link to join a club. I'm going to give it to you right now. Club Chess Chillers. Invite. Copy. Here you go. This is the link to join Chess Chillers on chess.com. It is our club on chess.com. If you want to play our tournaments, you got to be in that club. It's free. It's just like following a group on Facebook or something. It's all, you know. But yeah. If you're on chess.com, that's to join the thing. If you don't have a chess.com, don't I have a thing called chess? I thought I had a command called chess that would give you the chess.com link. Here we go. And if you don't have chess.com at all, guys, this is my affiliate link to chess.com. It's completely free. And if you ever sign up to chess.com, if you don't have one yet, that's your link. And you click that is directly to chess.com. That's my affiliate link. I'm in cahoots with chess.com. We do business together, okay? I met Danny Wrench. That's true. I actually did meet him. And then you get chess on your phone or on your computer. And it's free. You can play against people. You can play with us. You can play by yourself. You can play against computers. I don't want to play against people. They have bots with names and they're fun. And there's lessons. There's all kinds of stuff. So definitely get involved with chess.com, guys. It really... I make fun of it sometimes, but it's the best place to play. It's the best place to play chess in the world, folks. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, I was banning the spammer. All right, guys. Well, man, guys, do me a favor. If you like what you see, if you guys want to be here for the best community in the world, hey, tomorrow, I play viewers tomorrow. So hit the sub button, hit the like button, hit the follow button, and be here tomorrow at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. We're going to look at some of these games, and we're going to see the better moves I could have made in the games, and I'm going to play viewers. I'm going to play you guys 3-minute unrated tomorrow. Okay, you just send me a challenge, bang, we get to play chess. I'll do that tomorrow. Okay, so that's going to be fun. Be here for that. 8 p.m. gaming stream tonight at 8 p.m. Okay, guys, I got to go get some dinner right now and get rolling because I got to get ready for my gaming stream. So we'll be back for gaming tonight on Twitch and YouTube. Exclusive. Okay. Facebook, you know I love you, but the After Dark Gaming is on Twitch and YouTube now. Definitely want to... It's Charlie Sardo Gaming, guys. It's the same name. Just type Charlie Sardo Gaming, Charlie Sardo Chess. Anywhere in the world, I guarantee my name pops right up. I've been doing it too long, guys. 5 years. 5 years. All the shorts I've done. All the streaming every freaking day. I used to stream every single day. Then I stream 5 or 6 days a week. Now I stream 4 days a week minimum, and then usually a little bit more. And you do that for about 5 years, you get a little footprint. So you can find me on any platform. I'm on TikTok. I mean, I got TikToks there, but you know, if you're on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, man. I just posted a chess short there today. And I posted the same one to Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Check out the YouTube Short, by the way. I got a couple guys. If you guys like chess, you want to see some cool shorts, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on YouTube. Look at the YouTube Shorts. I got some good chess shorts. How do I see the previous tournaments? Rakim, you go to Community and you go to Clubs. Then you go to Chess Chillers. And I'm on PC though, but in the upper right, it's kind of hard to see it from exactly from here. Let me see if I can scroll over. Yeah, no, I'm making the windows. But it's all the way over on the right column, Club Events. The right top, there's a list of things, and it says Club Events. I don't know if you're on a phone, on a device, mobile device, I don't know, but you're looking for Club Events. Click on that. You'll see the list. You'll see the list. All right? Dude, I've won 3 out of the last 5 tournaments. And you guys have taken years off my life. You guys are killing me over here right at 1100 and freaking totally outplaying me and crushing me. It's insane. I freaking love my chillers, man. I love you guys. I gotta go eat. Thank you for the games, everybody. Thank you for the great tournament. Thank you for the great stream. Hit the sub button, away out the like button, the follow button. Freaking love you guys.